What station, Cutie Pie? MBC? Yeah, sa mga nagtatanong pala guys, this is MBC station. Going to Etihad Rail. For our flight. Look at our things. Flight. Look at our things for 4 days in Fujairah. See you, Fujairah. Rail guys waiting for us. Waiting for the boarding. Actually, aalis to 5:45. Yes. So, but look at her guys. Where's with us there? Yeah. Here? Wow. Etihad Rail. So this is it inside. Yeah, thank you. Where's our couch?
Seat 49 and 50. Cost 3. Yeah, this continues straight.
Oh, thank you. 49 and 50. Very nice inside. Searching our set. Okay. Inside, guys, this is light. See? Actually, we like the premium one, but it's still not available. See, they have table. Why they don't have table? They have the free one from there. And then we have too much food but to free. We have also free gawa, dates. But Cutie Pie don't want to take it. The doors is closing. So let's check how many hours going to Fujairah. Time check. 1:51. 1:51. Okay, 1:51. We started. 1:53 for Cutie Pie. It is also like this in Dubai, right? The metro. It's not. The first time I ride a train, guys, actually, because in Dubai daw, that is different. Yeah.
أعزائنا المسافرين، أهلا بكم على متن قطارات الاتحاد. هذا القطار متجه إلى محطة الفجيرة. حرصا على سلامتكم محطاتنا. شكرا لحسن انتباهكم. Dear guests, welcome on board Etihad Rail. This train is traveling to Fujairah Station. For your safety, please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the safety guidelines available on the Etihad Rail app website.
Hey, I don't know where's our chair. So shameful.
Say you don't cheat.
Don't complain. Complain. It's so much fun. This is 21 He's like the best. He's the one who mistake. He will never accept your mistake. If Takobo, very careless Takobo. I will accept what he told you.
You don't even know us.
How dare you? You're the one who so guys, let's start na. See you in the big Fujairah. Itutur ko kayo guys. Papuntang Fujairah. Pipi, I think this is full charge. Why is not full charge? Oh, see? Hi, thank you. You see guys, first stop, chocolate. Oh, Etihad Rail. Ay, Bibi, wala kayong washroom dito. Ah, dito? Malapit lang? Ay, the washroom. Thank you so much. Oh, di ba? The washroom. You can even, I like this one. You can see here, right? palakas ng palakas ang takbo niya. Yes. Alam siguro niya na naihi ako. Grabe guys, yung washroom nila nahirapan ako. Parang mas mabuti pa yung airplane. Marites gid na siya. She can understand what I'm talking about. Nakabayan laughing with me because it's rain, right? So I want to go inside. She told Mom, don't press that one if someone is there. So if you reach there inside, you need to press also something or else you will not be having this. Just ko Maria. That's why I take my mobile guys. Baka ma-stuck ako doon. Katulad, same that we travel in Kyrgyzstan, right? I don't know how to open. No, actually, that's destroying. You need to scan you. Oh, guys, yeah. Actually, when we travel Kitipay, Kyrgyzstan, their washroom, guys, is totally different. You can't go outside without scanning your receipt.
That's what it was on the
Oo, kasi hindi ka makapasok doon kung wala ka ding binibili sa washroom. So, yun, hindi ko alam yun ha. Kasi tinuruan lang din ako doon. Kaya akala ko normal lang na washroom. Naku, na-dead-in talaga ako doon. Buti na lang nakita ko yung mayroon akong cellphone. Tinawagan ko si Kitipay. Diyos ko, Maria. Kaya, kailangan talaga may cellphone pag pupunta ka sa washroom or else madidid ka sa loob. See? guys yung tunnel. Ano lang to, para sa train. Hindi pwede sa car. Yeah, exclusive only for train. Diba? Fujairah. See you, Fujairah. Driver na in Fujairah actually. Yung isa sa kakain. But may feedback siya. Hindi na siya comfortable sa set kasi ang titigas. Ang titigas daw ng set, guys.
العملاء والحفاظ على نظافة القطار. عند المغادرة نرجو منكم الانتباه للمسافة بين القطار والرصيف. كما يرجى مساعدة الأطفال وأي مسافرين قد يحتاجون إلى المساعدة ورفع الأسعار عند الهبوط. شكرا لاختياركم قطارات الاتحاد. نتمنى لكم رحلة آمنة إلى وجهتكم الثانية، ونتطلع للترحيب بكم على متن قطارات
Welcome here.
What?
Fujairah Station. Etihad Rail.
Don't think you do well.
Yung tao guys. Fujairah Station. Tipay. Too much people. Taxi? Taxi? Kitipay here the taxi. In the taxi section guys, going to the hotel. See, this is the taxi, baby. Taxi? In the taxi. Going to our hotel. Sorry? Thursday pa. We are here na in Fujairah Hotel and Resort. See guys, very simple. Yeah. Actually, gusto ko lang ipa-experience ni Kitipay kasi last 3 years ago dito kami ni Madam Busyang. Yeah. Ang ganda. Very simple. We are using only a key like this. Yes. And then, see, look at the TV. There. The TV is there. This one. See, then the simple bed. This is their washroom. See, washroom, and then this is their kitchen. Free coffee. Yeah, for the friends actually. What is this there, baby? Is still our or no? This one? After that's not for us na. See guys, you know how simple this one seems. Normal living. Yeah, I like it when you open the hotel like this. You show here. See, it's only like this simple. The swimming pool. See, this is our small terrace. Right? It's nice. So nice. Pero bukas guys, pupunta na naman kami sa kabilang hotel. Actually, 3 hotel ang binubok namin. Pero malapit lang talaga sa station. Yes. Especially on Thursday kasi kailangan kaming maka-check out ng maaga. Kasi nga yung Etihad Rail maagang bumabalik sa Abu Dhabi.